The Food Service Exchange presents.
In this video, we'll demonstrate the manufacturer-recommended cleaning process for a Beverage Air condenser coil. It's a simple fix, requiring only a few tools. To get started, you'll need condenser coil cleaner, a pump sprayer, screwdriver or power drill, and a socket wrench. The chemical cleaning can be messy, so begin by unplugging the unit and moving it outside to a low-traffic area with adequate drainage. Next, unscrew and remove the rear cover grill. Then remove the interior screws holding the condensing assembly in place and slide it out of the unit. If the coil has an extreme buildup of dirt, dust, or grease, use a wire brush or vacuum to remove the buildup before proceeding. Following the directions on the condenser coil cleaner, mix the cleaner and water in your pump sprayer. Begin spraying the cleaner at the top of the coil, using a side-to-side motion. Gradually continue moving down until the coil is fully saturated. Be sure the tip of the sprayer is at least 6 inches from the coil to avoid any damage. Allow the cleaner to penetrate for 5 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. Avoid using a high-pressure rinse as it can cause the protective fins to fold over and block airflow through the coil. These steps may be repeated as necessary until the coil is clean. After drying for a few minutes, the coil assembly can be replaced. Replace the rear grill cover and your cleaning is complete. If you have any questions about this procedure, please contact Tech Service at 1-800-684-1199. Thank you for watching and for choosing Beverage Air, your complete refrigeration source.